Islamabad, the stunning capital of Pakistan, is a perfect blend of nature and modernity. With its lush Margalla hills, iconic landmarks, and serene atmosphere, it's a must-visit destination for tourists. The city, established in the 1960s, was designed as a symbol of peace and harmony, offering both historical richness and modern infrastructure. Top attractions include the majestic Faisal Mosque, the scenic Daman-e-Koh viewpoint, and the symbolic Pakistan Monument. For tranquility, visit Rawal Lake, or explore Pakistan's heritage at Lok Virsa Museum. The Centaurus Mall is perfect for shopping and dining. Getting around is easy with the metro bus and ride-hailing apps like Careem and Uber. The city also boasts prestigious universities like Quaid-e-Azam University and NUST. Spring and autumn are the best times to visit, with mild weather and blooming landscapes. Islamabad promises unforgettable experiences, from hiking trails to cultural landmarks. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel inspiration.